Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and this is Brian's equipment from New Jersey, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this unit has some issues, and we want to go ahead and go through a little bit about what needs to be done. We're going to install a line cord on this telephone so that you can simply plug it into any modern jack. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We also want to go through the transmit, the receive, the network. We want to make sure that the network is wired properly and that all the connections are tight. We also want to go through the hook switch. We want to make sure that that's working properly and that it's cleaned. We're going to go through the bell and bell circuit. We want to make sure that the bells are adjusted properly. We also want to take a look at the rotary dial. We want to make sure that that's cleaned, oiled, and adjusted, and the rotary dial is dialing out. We also want to install a dial center card and ring to the period of the telephone. We also want to take a look at the feet of this telephone. The pads are worn through and they're worn out and they need to be replaced. We will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and the repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone. and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we also want to mention that we have an amplified pickup installed on the inside of the telephone at the network so that you can hear the audio of this unit on the final checkout. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. We also found that the rotary dial was improperly wired. I want to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature today is Saturday, February 9th. The current time, 9:27 p.m. and the temperature, 32 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Brian and he can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.